What's going on, guys? So today, first thing we're doing, making this car Ebisu style. We got Kendrick out here doing some fine tuning on this Honda Accord. What you up to, Kendrick?
You gotta change this rear arm. Being a bitch, the bushing is just spinning. So I gotta cut both sides off and then get the arm out and then put the new arm on.
He already did this side, looking nice.
5 seconds. 5 seconds this side. 2 hours.
2 hours. So right now, just jacking this all the way up as much as we can. Gotta go up like a good inch. Trying to be out here like my boy A. That 4x4 height. Disrespect out here. Damn. I was gonna leave the tire on, but I was feeling lazy. We're not gonna do that, we're gonna take it off. Got this wheel off. I'm gonna go ahead, just broke the collar on that. Loosen up everything. We're gonna just take the whole assembly off here. That way I could just spin it from the bottom. Adrian, what you on? What you working on?
I don't know.
We're all tired.
Freaking hangover from a wedding yesterday.
Oh boy.
And then
Turbo gasket.
turbo bolt got loose again. This one was the one I couldn't tighten the one like really good.
So you're gonna take the whole thing off?
The only way to really tighten it, I'm gonna have to split the turbo and then just tighten the hot side down first and
See if that works.
see if that works.
Alright, was only able to raise it up literally like a 1/4 of an inch because 240 problems, they're seized coilovers. Right, eh? Right. Seized coilovers once again, so that sucks. Was only able to go like a 1/4 of an inch, but like I said, but what I noticed was I'm actually not cambered in all the way. So we could go a little bit more. Hopefully that fixes it on both sides. It was actually rubbing more on this side. If not, we're gonna duff the fenders and yeah, just drift like that. Roll it a little bit too, actually. At least we got good news here. We're able to spin these, which isn't bad. So that's a plus there. Look at this. Wheel gap, wheel gap. No camber gain here. No stance nation either. It's good on this side too. A little bit just because that's probably like 1/2 an inch. This is like 1/4 of an inch. But like I said, we could camber it in a little bit, so we're gonna do that also, and hopefully no rubbing issues. Also, get yourself a sticker if you haven't already. All right, let's test this out. See if any rubbing occurs. Oh damn, it's freaking hard as hell. All right, that's a fail. We gotta turn the car on. Oh no, we're good. Not really on this side. Let's see on this side. A little tiny bit, but that's okay. That'll just rub right out on the fender. No homo. All right. Of course, it's gonna rain, but we're still gonna wash the skyline because thought it was gonna be like a little sprinkle, but ended up pouring like crazy. So let's give this a little rinse and wash and we'll be good. This thing right here is definitely the best invention. This is from that thing like Kabam Kaboom guy, RIP to him. Oh, use this, this will dry the whole thing up. It's nice out. Weather's holding up, no rain or anything. We're all about to go head out to a meet right now. Gonna take the Skyline cause 240 definitely needs an alignment. But it's always fun in the Skyline too. Oh, blowing some oil. That's no bueno. Gotta love little cruises though. Don't vlog and film. Hey! Well, guess we're not going to the meet. Just got a call from one of our buddies, Frank, that they're actually giving trespassing tickets. I guess of last time that right, false alarm. We're here at the Monday night meet, and already it looks like
the best car here.
A lot of people. Yo, you got the best car. I don't care what anybody says. Slam.
Show 'em.
Woo-wee. Let's look at the specs on that bad boy. But so far, a good amount of people. It's not raining and anything, so that's a plus. Oh, we got Kevin out there.
Hey, Papi! What up?
We got my boy Eric out here. He's gonna be your little tour guide for tonight. What we got over here?
That's
We got E36. Rich. This is too much money for me. Oh, we got AC. AC got a new car here.
Dude, that's something different, huh?
Yeah, that's gotta be bright yellow.
That's what you really gotta worry about out here?
Ooh wee, damn,
That's
killing
really
the
what you gotta worry
game.
about on the streets.
She blew my doors off. Oh damn, I like this texture.
That was pretty cool.
Damn, throwback to the G days. Used to have a G.
13 SI right here.
Yo, this could be you right here.
I don't want a payment though.
What's up? Listen, we got my man AC out here. What's going on?
This could be me right here, but
that
my dad gave the car to the wrong kid.
Oh man. All right, there's a 240 over here.
There we go.
I'm biased, so I always got to see that's 13. So we're going that way. We got Z. Yo, there's Z's everywhere now. Hey, what up? We got the Z gang out here. The biker boys.
These guys are retarded.
Damn, I like that gray.
I like the blue.
Got the S13 right here. Oh boy.
She got
it running. How is it? What's going on? Good. How's everything? Oh, dude, it was dope. Yeah.
But he has been talking to A.
Slam. Woo-wee. Killing it. Bro, dude, there are a lot of Z's. That's like the new 240. I feel like Z's.
There's the only smart fast kid.
The vet? The vet or the Ford? You already know who we got. We got Lewis out here. Oh, ooh, clean. Oh damn, this is pretty clean. Oh, this dude's. Wow,
that's really clean. That's really simple. It looks like a Maxima. It's so simple.
Yeah. Damn, disrespect. I like that color though. Damn, Honda S2K. I always have a soft spot for S2Ks. Ooh, there's Civic over here boosted. It's not a CRX, right? Or is it a CRX? Is it? Oh, it is. Damn. Gotta take a picture of this. This could be Sammy, but you know how he plays games. Bam.
Could be me if he's good.
This right here could be Eric. Everybody drop down a like on this video so he could buy one of these.
But I got one of those in green.
True? Yo, let me get it. Ooh, Nismo Edition Z.
Mr. 2 is right there.
Oh my gosh, look who it is. Did you get me nuggets? We got Devin and Adrian out here, grabbing food, of course, and Eric, and Christian.
Tell
Hey,
him they bought a.
my bodyguard came out today. You already know. Let's go.
I can't hang around with you no more. Oh my God, you're ridiculous.
You got Hector out here. He's ready to just kill people on the streets. No, exposed.
Bring them out, bring them out.
Oh, the cops came and everything. They're about to give everybody trespassing tickets. Let's get out of here before they do that. Everybody's out. Well, just like that, everybody's out. Like always, guys, subscribe, comment, like, do all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. We'll be getting some more content, getting some drift events coming up, and oh my goodness, these potholes.